All right, welcome to the second part of my ride today. Bike route to Ronald Reagan Boulevard Trailhead. Follow gray bike route signs. Distance 2.9 miles. The bike route ends at a Big Creek Greenway parking lot that will be finished by the end of 2016, about 0.2 of a mile from the next trailhead. Took off all the things we didn't need. And what we're gonna do now is let's see how far we can go. Now the problem is going to be we're going to contend with traffic and things like that. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm going to get off the seat for a while. We got a brand new battery in, so what we're going to do is see if we can make it to 50 miles today. I'm short 19 miles, so if we can go 10 miles now, 10 miles back, that would be sweet. If we get back and we can go on the Greenway again and do a few more miles, that'd be sweet too. I'm not going to pedal as much on this little ride. I'm going to rest up for a little bit. Nice, ended up with this big thing. It just had like 100 yards, not even 100 yards of grass to go through, and I didn't even have any cars come, so I was able to just to go through it on the road, and pretty cool. Happy with that. All right, and now let's see where we go here. We gotta cross over. Yeah, that's the thing about contending with traffic sucks, but that was the way to go. That's gonna be the way to go. We'll come back this way. So I didn't do this Greenway this morning. Excuse me. We were down at the Alpharetta, as I call it, Roswell Alpharetta Greenway. That's where I did my first part of this video. And now we're headed up to the Forsyth County Greenway, which comes out of Cumming. And And the reason we didn't do this one this morning was because luckily I got on the website just to look around. I was actually looking for mileages, and it said it's closed starting May 31st. And today is, guess what, May 31st. And so I went down and did the Alpharetta one twice. Worked out great. I mean, it's fine. I enjoyed it. And now we'll come down here and do a little bit of this one. A little off-road.
Turn right onto McFarland Parkway.
Little off-road, yeah. I see the Greenway down there. Alright, we could be going over there. I kind of know where I'm at. This is the gas station, and there's Wendy's here.
400 feet, turn right toward McFarland Parkway.
Wendy's is full. I'm not sure if we'll have a sidewalk or not.
McFarland Parkway, then turn right onto McFarland Parkway.
But we'll see. The only road we have to contend with again.
Turn right onto McFarland Parkway.
It won't be too bad. Oh, I see the Greenway. Here we go. Not bad. Just had to deal with a couple of places. Alright. Let's see how far on this one we can get. Here we are. This is nice here. This is long boardwalks after boardwalks. That one was slippery back there, remember, but these look like they dry out a little bit better. They're not covered up, so the sun must hit them better. Alrighty. Little tidbit to me, this is my 2 cents. Everybody should do what they want to do. I mean, leave me alone, I'll leave you alone. I don't care. That's my motto. I hate being that way, but it's the truth. You do what you want to do. I do what I want to do. Everybody's happy. That's that. I'm not bothering you. You don't bother me. But I think it's very unsafe to wear earphones both ears when you're running, especially maybe a young girl. A young girl by yourself, a person by yourself, or the elderly person by themselves. I know they're not usually carrying a lot of money or anything like that when they're out here, but it just seems very dangerous that you can't hear your surroundings. I don't know, just my 2 cents. Make you think about it. I mean, you make your own decision on that one, but you gotta be careful when you're out here. One of the things I didn't bring today was protection. I pulled out my bear spray and decided not to. I just left it. There's no reason for that. There's no reason. It's like saying I don't need a fire extinguisher or I don't need a life jacket. If I have it, why did I not bring it? Why do I not have it? I mean, the gun's a little extreme. It's heavy. It's bulky. It's a little more dangerous if it goes off when it's in my pocket, or if I fall down, I fall on it. But I think I am going to figure out a way to mount the bear spray right here on the front where I can reach it pretty easy. And not just people, animals. There's can be animals out here, wild animals, as far as, wild dogs or a vicious dog that somebody's brought out here like an idiot. There are bridges and boardwalks galore on this one.